There's a new product I want to show you today to power your CPAP, and it's an uninterruptible portable outlet. You can leave it plugged in all the time, so it works as a battery backup, but you can also use it for travel, and it's FAA approved. Now, if you look back in my channel, I did a review on the original CPAP outlet. This is the new X9 CPAP battery outlet, so they've improved it. I haven't even opened it up, but I'm going to take this home and I'm going to be using it. But this is brand new, so we're going to go ahead and start unboxing this and give you guys some description. All right. So it says it's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery rated at 159 watt hours. Its rated output is 100 watts. It's pure sine wave technology. Has USB-A and USB-C ports. It is medically certified, and it's got a 1-year warranty, so you can run all CPAP, BiPAPs, home ventilators without additional adapters. I personally used one of the old version, and the power had been going in and out last week because we had all these storms, and it was super nice to have because my CPAP stayed lit up and going. So here's the new one. We'll go ahead and unbox this and take a look. The accessories are inside here. So we have a bag and power outlet. So this will plug in here on the side, plug in the wall, and then you plug your CPAP into here. We'll go ahead and power this on. So it comes from the factory and it's charged at 73% right now, which is good. As far as weight, it feels perfect for taking around. And then there's also a DC inputs for a car charger, so there are accessories that you can get for this. There are solar panels that you can connect in here if you're backpacking, and also car chargers. So some of the new features, I'll go over some of the new features with you now. Okay, I've got it set up, so we've got it plugged in, the AC from the wall coming into here, and then the CPAP plugged in to the portable outlet. Now, some things that came with it, it says important, do not place portable outlet on its sides. If you block ventilation holes, these ventilation holes, it can get hot and overheat. Also, do not place them on carpet. So I have mine basically set up just like that. So you want to set it up vertically. Also, for the first time, it says before you use it, charge it to 100%. So you can see here it's 69% and it's charging. For maximized battery life, heated tube and humidity options will reduce battery life by as much as 50%. Ask your CPAP specialist before making the following changes. Turning off heated tube when applicable, turning off or removing heated humidifier, or eliminate mask leak to make sure the pressure ramps up during leaks. Replace worn mask or try a full face mask if mouth leaks occur with nasal masks. So that's the notices that came with the device. So let me show you real quick what you want to do when I travel. I go to my options, manual, and then I turn my tube temp off, and then the humidity level off. Now, with that, you can save up to 50%, is what they say. But when I've bench tested it with my humidifier on, because this heat plate warms up and it uses quite a bit of heat. Also, the tube heats up and uses a lot of heat. So in effect, what we've done is we've shut those two off. So on this battery, I can run this about 7-8 hours with this battery, run with the humidifier on. If I shut the humidifier off, I can get about 18 hours of use just using that with the blower off. Then when you get home, you'll want to turn the humidification settings back on. So what's new and different with this from the old unit? There's no more AC on and off. The old one, my other one, if you push the button, you had to turn the AC on and off. Basically, if the battery is on, your AC is on. It's got a new fast charging USB-C in addition to the USB-A port. So there's a USB-C port and then your normal one. So that's fast charging. So if you bring your cell phones and stuff, you want to charge them up, you can use that for that as well. And then the LED itself is larger and can now be turned on and off by double clicking the power button if you don't want the night light effect. So let's try that. There we go. Have to push it fast. So basically it's on, our CPAP's still running, but we don't have the night light effect, which is nice. The old one could not, you didn't turn it off. Okay, so there are also, this meets FAA and TSA requirements for airline travel. It is available accessories. We can go through these. I'll take a picture of these and put them on there. But they have solar panels, a DC car inverter that you can charge up, 12-volt charging cable, the wall, and then the European wall cord. So what it says for European travel, international use. The X9 can charge anything from 100 volts to 240 volts with only an outlet adapter. An international power inverter is not needed. When using the battery as a UPC, the pass-through voltage will always match the voltage of the wall outlet. When used as a standalone battery, the AC output defaults to 110 volts. So I'll put these instructions in there. They will come with it, but you can take it with you when you travel. No special adapters or inverters needed. All right, I want to show you real quick the difference between the old version portable outlet and the new version. So on the front here, you can see the big difference is there's no more AC on off. Basically, if it's on, it's good. And they had just the USB on the old one, and they have the USB-C and a USB on it. So those are the two big differences. As far as size, actually the old one is a little bit smaller, but not by much. But physically, the vents are much bigger and better. So there's a lot of vent on this one. The old one, they only had vents at the bottom, and it gets pretty warm, so I keep mine up like that. So anyway, that's the difference in the two. I'll do an update later after I've used this for a few weeks and let you know how it works compared to the old one. Thanks. That's pretty much it on how to run this X9. And there's also, I've got videos on my little travel portable CPAP. You can look at those. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like today's video. And I'll have some more stuff for you guys next week.